this song. Yeah! Woo! Yeah, I love that song. I'm rocking. Oh shit! Holy fuck! Holy fuck! That guy just run me over almost! Boss! What? I almost got run over. Some moron just went by all those cars. What was it? Might have been a Ferrari or something. I don't know. I couldn't identify what it was. It could have been a Ferrari or it could have been a Lambo. Sorry about that. I didn't see it. Damn, boss, you didn't see it? No. Hey, boss. What, guys? We got down to the clay. You got down to the clay? Yes, we see clay right now. All right, good. Very good. All right, guys, get out of the hole. If you see clay, time to get out of the hole. And guess what else? We found the pipe, too, the water pipe. All right, great job, guys. Okay, guys, get out of the hole here. Yes, boss. Get out of the hole, guys. A job well done. Get out of the hole. Step out of the trench. Yes, boss. Woo, it's so hot out here. All right, guys, take a drink of water. You're going to need some water. Yes, boss. Water break, everybody. I could use a nice cool down. Woo! Oh, man, that tastes so good. Everybody, grab a bottle of water. Ah, delicious. Ice cool water. Ah, that feels good going down my throat. It is 80 degrees out. It says in my car. I went to check on my car, and of course it says 80 degrees on it. Holy hell! It is about 80. It's around 80, close to, it's almost to 90 degrees. It's about close to 88 to 89 degrees. 88 to 89 degrees? Wow, that's hot. No wonder we're all sweating. Keep hydrated, guys. Make sure you keep yourselves hydrated. You're going to need all the water because it's about 89 degrees out here right now. Wow. 89 degrees. Damn, it's hot. No wonder we're all sweating bullets. Can't wait to get home to my family. I got a wife and 2 children. Yeah, you have two. You got a wife and 2 children? Yes, I do. Are you serious? Yeah, I got a wife and 2 children. Congratulations. How old's your children? Well, one is 9, the other's 3. Wow. That is a fan. What, a boy or girl? I got 2 wonderful young boys. Aw. I never knew that. When did this occur? Well, my wife just had a baby just recently. Oh, get out. Why was it, a boy or a girl? It's a beautiful baby girl. When I first saw her, she looked so beautiful. I could not believe it's like a miracle. Oh, yeah. I can't wait to get home to my little baby daughter. Oh, I know how they're feeling there, man. It's really hard to be working when our family's at home and we're here working in hot weather all the time. Working about 8 hours, 9 hours a week. Like, oh my. What are you guys talking about? What are you guys talking about? Oh, we're talking about our family. Oh, really? You guys got family? Yeah. I got a I got a wife and a baby girl. Oh, congratulations. And I have a wife and 2 boys. I got 2 beautiful young boys. Oh, that's so nice. I'm married, but my wife is pregnant right now, so I just don't know when the baby's coming, but I'm hoping it's a boy. Or a girl, whatever. I'm not picky. I just want a kid of my own. Yeah, we know. We know the feeling because we both have children ourselves. He has a baby girl, and I have 2 young boys. One 3-year-old, and the other's around 9 years old. Oh, that's a young children you got. Yeah, I know. It's just really rough to take care of them and taking care of my own mother too. It's a pain. My mother is living in my house. She has some very bad health problems. Oh wow. And I'm here. I'm at her. She's over in my house, living in my house, because we're trying to nurse her back to health again. That's bad. Hey, what are you guys talking about? Hey, what are you guys talking for? We're talking about we're talking about our families and stuff. Gentlemen, this is no time to talk. More working, less talking. Sorry, boss. All right, guys. Continue on working. You can still talk, just continue on your job. All right? Yes, boss. All right. See you guys. Get to work, and I'll be standing there watching everybody. Okay, boss. Well, we better get ourselves to work before we get yelled at, or get ourselves fired. I agree. Watch out! The backhoe's bringing the buckets in.